still love you like I do. Hey, like I do. Moving on. Okay, hello, welcome back, So today I am doing a review and a unboxing on a recent clothing company I discovered called Shein. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Shein. I only got 3 items just because I wanted to review it and I wanted to make sure the quality was not really cheap and see-through. I didn't want to waste my money buying a bunch of stuff that I'm not gonna wear, or either I'm gonna wear it once and throw it away because it's so thin and see-through and just cheap looking. But here we go. So this is the packaging. It's like a clear Ziploc bag. I like it. Clear Ziploc bag. My first item I got is a white bodysuit. This bodysuit looks so little. The arms look so little. This is totally my style though. Like, as you can see, I got a blue one on right now. It's kind of off the shoulder, but it's not see-through. I don't know if you can see because the light is so bright, but it's not see-through. It's not a see-through white. It's a nice material. And y'all, I only paid like $20, including shipping, for all this. So I'm not mad. Like, look at this. It's not see-through. It's a good like material. This looks good. And I'm happy. Like, I didn't know what to expect from this company. Here is another item. Again, it's the clear like Ziploc bag. I like this because I'm gonna use this bag when I travel. I'm gonna put my makeup in it so it doesn't get everywhere. So definitely reusable. This is a strapless a strapless like maxi dress. And right now, like holding it up, you can kind of see the shape of it. It's not like a straight cut in it. It has hips and it has chest all like curved out in the dress. I don't know if that makes sense. This is also small, but with this I can actually kind of see through it, but it's not bad. You know, just wear some nude underwear with it. I would just wear some nude underwear with it, because when I put it in the light right here, it kind of is it's a little see-through, but it's not like that cheap see-through legging type of look. It's not like that. The quality is still good. It feels like a good cotton quality. It's kind of a little see-through. So I'm gonna definitely wear like some nude underwear, or some nude underwear, flesh tone underwear with this. So let me see. But it doesn't look like it's too small. It doesn't look like it's too big. It actually has some type of elastic right here where you put your chest. I'm gonna still have to wear a bra because you already know I have some big chest. So I appreciate the elastic. It'll definitely keep my dress up. Last but not least, I don't want to like make a super long video and it's only 3 items. Last but not least, I got this, and it wasn't in any type of Ziploc bag. This is actually, I wanted, you know, I'm always into like athletic wear. I wear athletic wear out like a regular outfit. That's just me. The material, I like the material. It kind of reminds me of like the material used to make like dress slacks or dress pants. It kind of reminds me of that material. Let's see. So, As you can see, it has a little see-through part in it. It's a part of the design. Huh. I wonder how this is gonna look. This kind of looks like, I'm a short girl, so these look kind of long. I wonder like where they're gonna stop on me. So I'm definitely going to wear all of this. I'm happy that I got it, and it's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I bought 3 items and I only paid like $20 to $25, including shipping. Not even shipping. Shipping was free. I paid like an extra something for insurance, like if your package gets lost or stolen. So I paid that, and it arrived within 7 business days. The quality is good. I'm happy that I bought this. I don't usually buy stuff online because I don't know what I'm getting, and then it's hard for me to return stuff just because of my work schedule and my laziness. But I'm super happy I got this stuff. If you would like to see a lookbook or another try on haul with another brand, please comment down below. Hope you're having a good day or night. Talk to y'all later. I cannot lift my arms up.